Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist, and in this video I want to talk to you about using a quad cane or a wide base cane when you're walking up and down the stairs. Now a couple quick components about the cane itself. If you notice, the cane is offset to the left. So this is for somebody who's going to use this particular cane in the left hand. If I needed to switch, there's an adapter here that allows me to rotate 180 degrees, lock that in place, and now this cane is designed for somebody to use in the right hand. But when we're walking up a set of stairs, we want to make sure that all 4 feet of the quad cane are on the step. If the step is wide enough, I can place the entire cane on the step. But if it's not wide enough, I'm going to have to turn the cane sideways while I use the handrail on the other side. Let me just demonstrate. So we would have the cane turned sideways. The cane would go up along with the opposite side leg. I would step through. The cane would come next to me. I would step through, and we would progress. Now when I'm coming down the stairs, typically what's going to happen is the cane is going to stay by me as I'm stepping down. And I'm going to take this one step at a time as opposed to going step over step. You should never lead with the cane. The cane should never be in front of you because now that makes it really easy for you to tip. And so we're going to keep the cane right alongside. I'm using the handrail. The cane is just added support. So guys, I hope that was helpful. This quad cane's been a great addition for anybody who needs a little more support than a single point cane, but not quite as much as a standard walker.